Got a guy from Michigan area that called me up and wanted 100 nukes. He said he was going to come down here and pick them up. And I had to think about that, and I called him back and I said, no. I'd rather sell 100 nukes right here than 100 nukes to him. And he only wanted to pay $85 a piece for them. See, that's a good one. They're going to build that out in a heartbeat.
That's what I said, them was the ones down there, and I said, well, the bees will build them back up, and that's where wax worms and stuff eat them up.
Yep.
And say, shoot, shake them back up on the ground here, let them crawl back in. I don't reckon you want them to fly away, though.
Here's going to fly away.
Stay there now.
Stay there.
That wire fishing string.
Fishing string. We got it. We carry a tool for that.
All them are made, they framed them out last year.
Yeah.
The bees died over the winter. Last year.
They'll do that.
And I was going out there checking to give them sugar water. And after there was springs coming, they'll be all right.
Yeah. See all this right here? This is wax worm. So, I mean, even though they're probably dead, maybe, you don't want them in the house. Because whatever you don't get rid of, they're going to have to get rid of, and it's taking more time for you, for them, than for you.
Right, I'm going to run up to the house and check them. I got a thing full of frames and hives and stuff. I'm going to go up there and I'm going to get another hive ready too tonight. I'll try to get a couple more ready. That way, if I come down here tomorrow evening around 6 o'clock when I get off work, if there's a swarm, I can get it.
Yeah.
I mean, so like you say, there'll probably be 2 or 3 more.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a pile of bees on that one. Great. Look at her. That's probably where she's at.
Probably.
Look at that. That thing probably weighs what? 3 pounds?
Maybe 3, maybe 4. That's just with the bees.
Man. She better be on top for you to see her.
Yeah.
And that's probably where she's at when they cluster up around them like that.
Yeah.
But the next frame too, it's the same way. That's bunches of bees.
Oh, it's a bunch of bees.
That's 3 hives for bees right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This one you can start in a 10 frame if you put the foundation like I built in between them.
Uh-huh.
But they'll clean all this wax moth stuff out here.
You look for her, I'm gonna go. Let's see here. 3 that I took out of there. Because I think I need one of them in this hive over here. ought to just leave it a single or put a nook or thing on top of it.
I'm going to be honest with you, I would feed them and I wouldn't put nothing on them because they got to build all these frames out.
Okay. You leave them right there for a day or two, right?
Yeah. Well, be able to get them up tomorrow. Yeah, you don't put anything on these because they got to build all these frames out.
Okay.
You feed them.
I got plenty of sugar. I can bring sugar down here.
That's what's in the front lead of my truck. I went today, got 120 pounds.
I still got about 4 or 5 bags. You need a bag.
There she is.
Found it?
Yeah.
Found one of them anyway. You get her?
Yep. In there. See, that one there is pretty bad. That's got a lot of wax moth webbing and stuff in it. They're gonna have to clean up.
Shit, that need to be to clean that thing up and you know.
They'll clean up in no time.
Yes, sir. They all over that little plastic thing you put there too.
Yeah.
But I knew I'd seen one cell had hatched out in that one frame over there, that one hive.
Okay. People, this is the big hive. As you can see, a lot of bees. Caught one queen. Alan went to get some more frames, different type frames. And we're going to keep here until we catch the other queens, because I think there's more to it. But that's about it that I'm going to show right now, because it's just going to take a while. Y'all have a great day. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give a thumbs up if you like it. Comment. If we did something wrong, you let us know. Appreciate it all. Thank you. Bye.